Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Sending large attachments such as video files, presentations or zip archives aren't feasible using standard mail attachments because of their size. Apple Mail circumvents the limitations of large attachments by using an iCloud service called MailDrop. Now, MailDrop is available across all platforms, so you can have MailDrop in macOS Mail, you can have it in iOS Mail, and you can also have it in iCloud.com Mail as well. It's available in macOS 10, Yosemite and above, in iOS 9.2 and above, and any sort of modern browser, either on the Mac or Windows. If you have an iCloud account, you can use it on the web as well. But let me just quickly demonstrate how easy it is to use. There is some configuration, but it's minor, literally a single checkbox. All you do is go to Mail Preferences, and then under Accounts, you need to switch on this option here, Send Large Attachments with MailDrop. You can send attachments up to 5 GB in size using MailDrop, and the recipient has up to 30 days to download those files. You can store up to 1 TB of MailDrop attachments within iCloud, and it doesn't impact on your iCloud storage at all, but there is a limit of 1 TB of iCloud storage specifically put aside for MailDrop in any one 30-day period. But let's go ahead and send an email. I just create a new email. I'm actually going to send it to myself so that we don't have to mess about changing accounts to see what it looks like when it arrives. So to SCO2016@icloud.com. We'll give it a subject of video file, and then in the body, here is that video file I promised. Now I can attach the video file by using the attach icon in the top, or I can just go across to the Finder and drag and drop it into the email. Let's go ahead and use the button. So there is my video presentation. It's 248 megabytes in size, so much too large to send as a standard attachment. I'll go ahead and say choose file. So all I need to do now is just hit send, and that will be sent via MailDrop. So let's leave that a few minutes. Of course, it will need to upload the file to iCloud if it's not already there. So we'll come back in a few minutes once we receive the message and see what that looks like. So a few minutes later, that video file has arrived. And as you can see, the attachment is available until the 12th of May. So I have 30 days to either play or download the video. Here is that video file I promised. Click to download video presentation.mp4, and it's 248 megabytes. If I click into the message, now I can play it from within Apple Mail if I want, or I can control or right click. I can save the attachment, I can save to the downloads folder, etc. We'll take a look at what this email looks like across on the iPad, but in the meantime, let me go across to iCloud.com. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.